Hey, hello everyone. I would like to share today actually. I recently completed three Azure certification within 2 weeks span, and I would like to share how you can also do complete the same. So if you look into my Creately profile, I completed Azure fundamentals on July 18, and then I did my Azure administrator on August 8, and then I did my Azure Architect Expert mm, on the August a sorry, let me check that why the dates are same. Oh yeah, it's August 8 and you see it's on August 18. So I did it within a kind of a month span of time. Basically, I've been working in Azure for last 1 year, and I was not haven't felt the importance of doing certification, but I just decided to do that. But working is something and certification is something else. So I want to give you some quick tips how you can also get certified quickly if you have been working on Azure environment at least a year, because your hands-on experience is very important. And of course, to pass the certification you have to read, and I'm going to give you the tips. So basically, in typically the highest level of certification is Microsoft certified Azure solution architect, and most of the folks in Azure try to do that, and then they want to go into specialization like security, networking, and AIML and those areas. But pretty much fundamentals, then you need to do administrator, and then you need to do Azure Solution Architect. So basically, to get the Azure Solution Architect expert, you need to complete 3 or 5 designing Azure infrastructure solution. If you do that, and if you have already completed the Azure Administrator exam, then you are good to go. So what is the preparation you need? So most important thing, Microsoft has an awesome self learning platform. You really do not need to spend any course or any lots of hours after hours video. All you do is you basically take this number AZ900 and go to Google and just say AZ900. Okay, once you search, you should see something starts with Microsoft Learn. Okay, it's not giving, just say Learn. Okay, so yes, so you see, Microsoft, this Learn has a very wonderful self-paced mechanism. When you see that there's a two ways to prepare, one is instructor led and online free. I love this free one. So if you follow this free certification path and do, all the way, just exactly, if you read those things, it includes some questions also to test your knowledge, and many of those questions you can get common also in the exam, and I got some of them. But they this do see you see this knowledge check, so you can actually do this knowledge check there. So this is pretty cool, and Microsoft is giving free of cost. So I would recommend, do not spend time on Udemy course or this course, that course. Microsoft has provided a great resources for learning. So it starts from the certification page itself, and a lot of people ignore that and then just say go buy this course, Plural Site or Cloud Guru. Those are good. I'm not saying good, but those are good for learning and doing hands-on. But if you want to pass the certification, I think this is awesome. This gives you the exact, precise way what you need to learn. It's a faster way. Same thing if you wanted to go for the same thing, you can search the administrator. What is this? This is basically AZ104. So you can just say AZ104 learn. Okay, So same thing, you go there and the certification page, and it has a beautiful self learning. So you have prerequisite. Yes, it may take a little bit of time, but you need to read all these things because these are exacting, and you have a knowledge check also. So you may need to go through these modules two times. I would say if you are new to Azure, you should go through two times. But again, I would always say that first you build your hands-on skill, because just passing certification has no value, right? What is the value? You need to do that. And same thing if you go for the last certification, I mean the highest level as your solution architect. For that you need 305. So you do 305. Okay. And so you basically you have that also self-paced one, right? You can just go through all this knowledge check and mechanism. So I would say, stick to this learning path which Microsoft has recommended. And you do the knowledge check. Those questions are really going to help you to understand, and please do hands on. Because you, and when I say hands on, you need to understand. You need to basically make familiar yourself with portal.azure.com, and what are the UI, and how the um, different resources from the UI looks like, and also understand their other aspect of creating and using resources by infrastructure as a code. Like Azure provides Bicep, Ansible, Terraform, and Azure ARM templates. ARM templates are the it's the underlying technology, but now they are preferring Bicep as their preferred way of infrastructure as a code. Hope this helps. This is a very quick tips I wanted to share with the people who are trying to prepare for Azure certifications. Thank you.